Good morning, students of KG class. English pre-primer book. Today we are going to read chapter 7, that is sound of U. Sound of U. Okay. As I told you earlier that alphabet sound is different and phonic sound is different. Then when we read the chapter, when we read the words, we have to focus the phonic sound. And in starting video I have said the phonic sound also. So let's recall sound of alphabet U. U is a alphabet. U is a letter. U is a alphabet. U is a letter. But sound of U is a. Sound of U is a. Sound of U is a. आपको इस बात पे ध्यान रखना है कि U का साउंड क्या है? अ. अगर आपको इसका एग्जैक्टली साउंड पता होगा तभी आप रीड कर पाओगे, अदरवाइज आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी. देयर आर टू साउंड्स ऑफ अल्फाबेट यू, शॉर्ट साउंड एंड लॉन्ग साउंड. बट अभी हम कौन सा साउंड पढ़ेंगे? केवल शॉर्ट साउंड पढ़ेंगे. शॉर्ट साउंड इज अ एंड लॉन्ग साउंड इज यू. ओके, शॉर्ट साउंड इज अ. अभी आपको किस बात पर ध्यान देना है? शॉर्ट साउंड अ. ओके, पहले हम दो वर्ड्स, टू लेटर वर्ड रीड करेंगे. A, n, un, un. A, U says a, N says n, un. Ug, a, g, ug. At, up. Okay. A says, U says a, P says p, up. Okay. Now, U, B, a, b, up. A, g, ug. A, t, at. A, p, up. A, n, un. Okay. When you read these two letter sound with the phonics, then you can easily read the words. Let's start. Which picture is this? This is the picture of sun. You can see this is a picture of sun, but now you are grown up. So by seeing the picture is not sufficient. You have to read the words also. Let's start. Sa, un. Sa, a, n. Sun. Okay. Ta, a, b. Tub. B, a, g. Bug. K, a, p. Cup. J, a, g. Jug. P, a, p. Pup. K, a, b, cup. Bun, a bun. A jug. Nut, a nut. Cup, a cup. अगर आप ये कंसेप्ट समझ जाते हैं that this is the a and this is the p, a, p, up, then this is a k and up, cup, a cup. Now start to read up sound ending with up. These words are ending with up sound, up sound, at sound, up sound or un sound. Let's see. H, up, hub. K, up, cub. T, up, tub. R, up, rub. S, up, sub. Now use G, a, g. Ug sound, ug. J, ug, jug. R, ug, rug. M, ug, mug. H, ug, hug. B, ug, bug. B, at, butt. K, at, cut. G, at, gut. N, at, nut. H, at, hut. Now up sound. Up, cup, gup, pup, duck. Okay. Fun, un, fun. R, un, run. S, un, sun. B, un, bun. G, un, gun. Okay. Continue do practice of all the sounds from your book. Now you have to read aloud these pictures, these words. Up, a cup in a tub. Ug, a bug on a jug. Up, a pup in the mud. At, a nut and a bun. Okay. Now There are some worksheets. Make any 4 U sounding words from the following letters. You can use a letter from more than one time. By using these words, we have to make 4 words here. You can take help from these letters also. Try to do yourself, otherwise I will send the PDF also. In this picture, fill in the missing letter with the help of the picture. This is a picture of, can you see? This is a picture of, देखिए यहाँ पर, this is the nut. Then the, what we will fill here? Nut, N-U-T, nut. This is the picture of mug. Then spelling of mug is M-U-G, mug. This is the picture of gun. This is the picture of bus, cup, and this is duck. Okay, just now we are reading U sound, then we will fill U words here. But by the seeing pictures and by learning the spellings, you have to fill the letters, not U. Okay, and try to this yourself. Like cut, we have to make only U sounding words. Okay, nut, mud, D is here, yes, mud, and one more cut. We can make here cut. Okay, then fill these exercise yourself in your book. And there is one more. No, we will do it after. We will do it later. This is the all sound. Then complete this worksheet in your book, and page number in maths English skill book 5, that I will send. Okay students, now do continue the practice of reading the sound words.